Good Thursday morning, everybody. This weekend's gonna be really hectic. We have to get the car done big time because the first practice is May 13th. We really need to try to get everything clued up as much as possible. Again, I really want to get started on today's vlog, start today off. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Subscribe if you're liking it. And guys, I really hope you do have a great weekend, and I really do hope anyone who hasn't subscribed, subscribe, because things here are just, they're going quick. Oh my goodness, guys, all I can say is thank you, thank you, thank you, and let's get started on today. Well, looks like I'm starting off my day doing something car related. I told you guys things are getting hectic with it lately. If you see it on the envelope what it says, it's from NASCAR. I have to get Ryan's NASCAR license renewed and done so he is able to actually get over on the track. Oh, well, hopefully this doesn't take too long so I can do something else with you guys and we can actually go somewhere. Of course, Jersey wants to be noticed by you guys. Oh, he's got a stretch. Don't you? You like to say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, jump up in the chair. Oh my goodness, you're so hyper and excited to see everybody. Are you so excited to see everybody? They're excited to see you. They think you're so cute. You gonna pay attention, or are you just gonna tear your little monster up more? Okay, I guess you're just gonna tear him up. Well, guys, we plan to go bowling with you, and there's yours. We plan to go bowling with you guys today, but it's actually closed. So we're up at the garage now, and we'll see what we can do with the car. So what are you going at now, anyway?
I'm trying to wire up the fan.
Oh, wiring up the fan.
I'll try. Gotta put some tape around back there too. I'm gonna try to wire up the fan.
Jersey, I was hoping putting those ones on you'd stop whining. Thought you'd be all tough, but all you're doing is crying. Yeah. What's wrong? You want to be over where Daddy's too. You can't. You can't go over there because where he's under the car. You gotta stay up here where it's safe. Yeah. You gotta stay where it's safe. You want me to sit down with you? Okay, I'll sit down with you. What's the verdict?
Just figuring out how to overturn this.
Oh, just figuring it out as you go. Because you didn't rewire the oil fan in the last car, did you?
No, I did not.
What was on the switch then? Because I remember you done a switch.
Nothing. I put the fan to the ignition switch.
Oh, right. Yes, you didn't put it on an actual
So I turn the key.
separate switch.
When I turned the key, it worked anyway. I worked into the wiring here now in the car now. And was exactly what the hell I'm going.
What?
Because I'm into the wiring in the car now, I was supposed to go here. Upside the beam on an electrician.
See? Aren't you glad you picked that trade?
No.
Why?
What?
Why?
Hope sometimes, other times it's a pain.
So what are you doing there now?
Just making sure this car's gonna fit. You know. What I wanted to do isn't gonna work.
why can't you do that?
Because the water will come out.
So what's the backup plan?
I'm gonna water the fan the way I was gonna water it. Okay, I'm all good.
Are you enjoying next to the fire? Until I talk to you, you're all comfy and quiet, and then it comes over and talks to you and starts whining. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll sit down again with you. That's all you want, isn't it? That's all you want. Some attention. Yeah. Bad to the bone? What? Are you bad to the bone? Bad. Bad. Here. You bad to the bone? Bad to the bone? Are you? Are you bad? Bad. What? Look, I'm too cute. What? You too cute? Yeah, you too cute? Too cute? Yeah? Is that what you said? Yeah? Do you guys want to see inside the wood stove? You ready? Ooh, that's why it's so nice and warm in here. Hear it? Cool. Well guys, we're still at the car as you can see. Hopefully the fan will be hooked up very soon to the switch. As you heard Ryan say earlier, at least I hope you heard him because we're still a little nervous. It's hard to hear him. I guess they hooked up some accessories and stuff, whoever owned this car before we bought it. And the wiring job is terrible. So yeah, anyway, I guess he's just going to straighten out some of that and fix it up and then hook up the switch and hopefully everything goes smooth, and then we'll see what's next. I wonder, have we even given you guys really a tour of this garage? This isn't in our yard. I've shown you guys some of our yard, and there's 2 sheds there, but this is up at Ryan's father's. This is where the car is placed right now, but it's just a quick view. But yeah, this is pretty much where all the work is getting done on the car when we're getting ready for race season. It's so hard to see you there. Where are you going to hook the switch up to inside? What do you plan on to?
A piece of tin right across there. Switch there, battery disconnect.
I figured I started today's vlog in my rocking chair, so I'm going to finish today in the rocking chair. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and anyone who is new to the vlog, check out our other videos and stuff, see what you think. As well, things are going to get pretty exciting around here in the next few weeks, guys. I have so much planned that I don't even know where to start, to be honest. I just have it all in a big list and what to do, and we're just gonna wing it and go and like get as much on that list done as possible, especially before the big surprise, which I will unveil when we reach 500 subscribers. So anyone though who watched the older vlogs might have an idea on what this is, but if you're new, try to get anyone you know to jump on board and subscribe as well, and we will reveal it to you. It's going to be so much fun, guys. Anyway, have a great night and a great weekend. See you guys.